There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a belly of tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, up below my bully boys blow. Seen I've been 2 weeks from shore, and down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. One day the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. Take our leave and go.
Let's learn the captain. It's choreographed by Joshua Talbot. It is a 32 count 2-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the captain. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. And then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to rock forward with your left, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a quarter shuffle, turning over our left shoulder, make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. Step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot to the left side. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your side together to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a cross-side sailor steps. You're going to cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the left side. Now we're going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left. Step your left foot out to the side. Step your right foot out to the side. We're now going to do a crossover with our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. And now we're going to do a half shuffle, turning over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our shuffle to the left. We're doing our cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a slight hop back, stepping our right foot quickly back and placing your left heel forward. You're now going to hold. You're going to step your left next to your right and touch your right next to your left. You're going to step your right next to your left and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left next to your right, rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We just finished our shuffle forward. You're going to make that step back with our right. And 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. We're going to do a left shuffle forward, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to do syncopated lock steps with a step forward. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right. Step forward with your right. You're going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then you're going to do a slight stomp forward with your left to end the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our crossing shuffle. You're doing your quarter, quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now that slower step with the left is important because it will hit the music and keep you on time to start the dance over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our side together. Side together, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, quarter side shuffle. Cross, side, sailor step, cross, quarter, back, half shuffle. Back heel, hold, step, touch, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle. Quarter, quarter, shuffle forward. Now your lock, step, lock, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your side together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Hold 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Now some styling that's going to help make those turns feel a little more comfortable. When you get into your cross quarterback in your half shuffle, you're coming out of your sailor step. If you have your sailor step slightly open more up to the right, so your hips are pointed to the right instead of directly at the wall, this will allow this left crossover to feel a little bit better. Same thing when you come into this crossing shuffle. If you allow that slightly open hip and you use this more as a prep to be able to do your quarter, quarter and your shuffle forward, it will allow you to have that movement feel a little more fluid. Now, the dance ends naturally facing 12 o'clock. It will end on your final step for 8, and you'll be facing the front, so you don't have to worry about an ending. Let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. We're starting with our side together, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, quarter side shuffle. Cross, side, sailor step, cross, quarter, back, half shuffle. Back heel, hold, step, touch, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle. Quarter, quarter, shuffle forward. Now your lock, step, lock, step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Hold 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Side together, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, quarter side shuffle. Cross, side, sailor step, cross, quarter, back, half shuffle. Back heel, step, touch, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle. Quarter, quarter, shuffle forward. Now your lock step, lock step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Hold 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. And just like we ended, that is how the dance is going to end towards the end of the song. Now that you've practiced it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the end of the video and use the rear demo to practice as much as you would like so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the captain. If you have any questions, let me know.
There once was a ship that put